Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2020 290 Sun Deck. It's a phenomenal boat. This is the smallest boat we do that you can have with twin engines. You can have the joystick with it as well. Start at the back of the boat. You've got phenomenal storage. It's huge all the way in the back here. Continues all the way onto the inside of the boat. And as we move in, you got very large U-shape, L-shape rather, seating. A table that can go here. Refrigerator, little prep area in here as well. More opposing seating. And then when we get to the helm area, you can actually take this and slide this back, lounge backwards, and you can do the same thing with this one over here as well. Very nice. So again, you got the joystick because you got the twin engines. The boat, I can make the boat go sideways. I can lock it in with skyhook, face it at the sunset, locks you in. It's beautiful, and it's got autopilot on it as well. We call it auto heading. Simrad GPS, all you're going to need for that, all your controls, everything are all inside of this, which is great. You've got a very large head in here, very comfortable. You can change in here with the vacuum flash head. And then finally up at the bow, we've got a nice sitting area up here. You can put a half a dozen adults up here very, very comfortably. You've got armrests on the lounges, and then you've got the anchor recessed away. Really, really nice. So the boat does everything well. It's a great boat for going up and down the coast here. So if you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.